78% of all people that played in the National Football League, 78% of them, after 2 or 3 years after retirement, they're bankrupt. They're broke. It's unbelievable. And I bring this up because this past week I've got a lot of questions from students about, are we entering a recession or not? And I think we are going to very, very soon, only because business is cyclical. The business cycle is usually about 10 years. It starts with a great bull market, then a bear market, rinse, lather, repeat. So 10-year cycle. And if anybody tells you this time it's different, they're wrong. They always are. Those are some of the most dangerous words you'll hear in finance. This time it's different. And so the bottom line why I bring this up is because I want you to all try to live below your means. And there's a great book that I read that covers this topic called The Millionaire Next Door, and another great book also called The Wealthy Barber. And if you want more details on how to save, protect, and make your money work for you, please check out my course called the Complete Personal Finance Course. Thanks.